Hi everybody. Just a little quick look at the main features of this new Wellcraft 28 that we have in Croatia for the premiere now. I would like to emphasize this front and bow cockpit area, which is really have a lot of functionalities that you're not expecting maybe on the size of the boat. The first is that you have a seating for about 8 to 10 people around the boat table. The other interesting aspect, the table of course can become a sun pad that you can have, lowering it, and some quite smart features for windlass, incorporated windlass, fender space, etc. And not only this, on this front and bow cockpit area, we also have the bow cabin. So let me show you this little space here, which has a lot of smart optimization and functionalities, because as you can see, we have a quick access to a little day toilet with a sink and some storage. And this little space here also converts into a 2-meter long bed mattress. Second main area of the boat that is noticeable is this quite large space that we have here on the aft and on the cockpit. So this version here comes with the sunbed, which we call the relaxed version, which is actually a large sunbed that you can adjust in different positions, of course, and that opens up as a huge locker and access to technical space under. So pretty smart. You have very functional helm station, with this case a low windshield helm station and a wet bar here to have kind of daily meals and other refreshments. Another noticeable thing is the access that we have created to the sea. I guess you can see here that we have a little door with a ladder possibility to come directly at sea, or when you're fishing up your fishes. That is really convenient. And at the same time, we have huge platforms around the aft and around the engines. This version is in single engine, but still with a twin engine version, you would still have a huge access to the sea. Safe and huge.